A legend in the algo trading world just helped me make my trading strategy better, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. This is another squeeze momentum trading strategy. But before I go, I have one burning question for you guys. Have you ever traded divergences on a momentum? Have you found the best momentum? I'd love to know which momentum wave indicators you're using, so that I can maybe even improve this even more. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. Hey friends, I hope you're going extremely well. My name's David and welcome back to my channel where I go through trading strategies. Today we're going to be looking at how I improved and managed to get around 8,000% on backtesting using the squeeze momentum 5-minute scalping strategy that I've been talking about for the past couple of days. But before I go any further, don't forget I randomly choose one comment from the week's videos to earn 100 USDT as a competition prize. So don't forget to comment down below in this video. Right, okay, yeah, so I was in my Discord talking about the trading strategy, and a well-known algo trader by most of us called Trading Parrot came in to our Discord. I was quite happy to meet him and talk to him, and he gave us a golden nugget that made my trading strategy even better. So I thought I'd share it with you guys today. I'm going to go straight over to my computer and show you what this new indicator that I've added is, and yeah, let's go. But before I go, if I can ask you just a big favor, as always, if you don't mind just giving this video a big old thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I do videos every Monday and every Friday about algo trading. I've been concentrating on this trading strategy for the past couple of days to improve it and make it better, but I will go on to new ones in the near future. Right, let's get back over to the computer. Okay, before I go any further, this is the Trading Parrot's YouTube channel, giving credit where his credit is due. This guy has some really good indicators and really good strategies, so if you don't know him, go and check his YouTube channel out. So as I said earlier, he came onto my Discord and gave some insight on this trading strategy that I've been building with the squeeze momentum. Now I'm going to go very quickly through how it works, and then I'll show you the indicator that he added, which is this one down the bottom here. So this strategy is a 5-minute scalping strategy on BTC USDT, although I have actually got it working also on ADA and also on Ethereum, which I'll share before the end of this video. So I created this squeeze momentum indicator, which works in exactly the same way as Lazy Bear's one. The only things that I have actually changed is I've added a SMA which changes the color of these waves. I've also added these green lines that you can't see particularly well maybe on YouTube, which create these green dots here. Now there's one here you'll be able to see a little bit better. These green lines show that there is divergence between the momentum waves and the actual price movement. So when price is coming down in a zigzag like this, creating lower lows, we're looking for our waves to actually create higher lows for a price reversal. Then we're looking for these dots here in the middle, these orange and white dots in the middle here, to go white. That means that we're no longer in a sideways market, we're in a actual trending market, and it's where we want to take our entries. So there are two parts of the trading strategy. The third one is this little indicator here, which is the David Tech flat market indicator. This is the first time I've released this as a visual indicator, but as you can see, it's very much a simple like momentum indicator as well, an oscillator. You have a green line here, and when the green line is above white line, that means that there's enough movement in the market to actually take an entry. If it's below, it means we are avoiding, once again, sideways movement, which means that we're avoiding being in trades for too long or just opening trades where we don't know whether they're going to go up or down. Now these indicators allowed me to make a trading strategy that gave me around 4,000% back testing all the way back to 2020. 4,000% net profit, which is absolutely fantastic, yet there was areas in that equity curve where they were dipping around 30%, which it still does, and I'd still like to improve a little bit more, but Trading Parrot actually gave me an indicator that changed it from the 4,000 to a lot more. Before I go any further, I'd like to say a huge thank you to our sponsors of this video, Bing X, who have actually given us a humongous 20% off of trading fees. You can find the links to BingX to profit from the 20% off. Thanks guys, I love what you do and I absolutely love your exchange. It is a no KYC exchange for the moment, so if you don't want to fill out your KYCs, which some people don't in crypto, you can continue to use BingX. Okay, back to the video. So let's go down to this indicator here. The indicator that the Trading Parrot actually said to me was this one here, which is the KERPD noise filter. If you go up to the top of the indicators up here, you can just literally type KERPD, and as you can see, it's the Kaufman's efficiency ratio and price density. It's this blue line here, which helps us to once again not go into the market when it's moving sideways. So if I go over, there's a couple of lines here. We have a blue, dark blue line, a grey line here, and the one that I found the most successful was this background percentage baseline over here. No, buoyancy line, sorry, over here is the second one. We're going to add it to the chart, and if I make it a lot brighter, you'll be able to see it on YouTube. It was very much hidden. I didn't even realize it was there until I hit the data panel over the side. And as you can see, I've added this to my charts over here in the inputs. If I scroll down, what I'm actually looking for is the KERPD to be above the 20 line. So when it's above 20, we're looking for longs or shorts. It doesn't matter which way they are. It's just confirming our entry. So that means we have the flat market and now the KERPD confirming our entry. Finally, we have the T3, which I spoke about in my last video, which you'll be able to find the links above below. The T3 average by Harry Potter, this is on 200, this is on 300. If I go here and put length as 300, I'm also going to change the color and the style of it as well to a nice white over here, guys, so you can see it on YouTube. Perfect. So when we're above the line, we're looking for longs. When we're below the long line, we're looking for shorts. Now, this video isn't going to go completely into the trading strategy. I did do a full review of the trading strategy in this previous video, which you'll see above. But I'm just going through this indicator here today to show you how much better it has become. So I have backtested it as always using the Tradingview backtester. I'm using the full panel of deep backtesting results. So we can see a lot more results and not just the couple of results that we get on a 5-minute time frame. So as a reminder, I am on the 5-minute time frame. My take profits and stop losses are at 0.9%, so it's a bit of a scalping strategy here. I've also added the ignore wicks. This has given me a little bit tiny bit more profit, but even if I remove this, it still is very profitable. Okay, let's go and have a look at the backtesting results. As you can see, guys, the equity curve is absolutely amazing. We still have a couple of maybe sideward areas here where I'll try and maybe improve on this as we go along. But we have an absolutely amazing 8,319%. When you look at the performance here, if we bought at the same time, we'd be at minus 21%. This is on 20x leverage. If you reduce it down to 15% x leverage, you get around 4,000 to 5,000%, which is still amazing, but it also takes our max draw down to 25%. We have 434 trades closed, which is a good pool for us to be backtesting on. We have a wonderful percent profitable of 66.13%, which is amazing to keep that at that high over all of this time. We have a profit factor of 1.4. If I go over to the other metrics, we can go over here and you'll be able to see I've improved our Sharpe ratio up to 0.74. I did improve that almost up to 8 as well, but those settings you'll be able to find in the spreadsheet on Notion on Discord. The profit factor is 1.427, as I said earlier, and yeah, our first trade would have been in 2021 in June, the 1st of June. So as you can see, it's absolutely fantastic as an equity curve and a trading strategy. I'm also working on improving results for other altcoins as well as I go along. All of these settings and the trading strategy, you'll be able to find links to Patreon down in the description, where you'll be able to set these up on bots and auto trade. All of these trading strategies that I'm working on with the community. I wanted to say a huge thank you to the Trading Parrot for suggesting that wonderful indicator, and like I said, it was a bit of a golden nugget and it really did make this trading strategy shine. And to all of the other communities that have decided to criticize and moan, see what happens when two communities actually work together. We managed to find some fantastic setups together, so maybe it'd be better to work together than against each other and try and beat these markets as retail traders. Anyway, I thank you once again for joining me. I really do hope that you enjoyed this. As I said earlier, you'll be able to find the links to Discord, to Patreon, and to all the wonderful things below in the description. And without further ado, guys, have a great day, have a great week. I will see you on Friday, hopefully with some even more better setups. Have a great week. Take care, keep safe, keep coding, trade like a boss, and I'll see you on Friday. Bye bye.